Hello everybody. We're gonna make a video of Skylanders Swap Force. We're gonna unbox Mega Man Spyro, Blizzard Chill, and Zulu. So let's open this. I'm gonna take out Zulu first. I'll take out Mega Man Spyro as well. Here is Mega Man Spyro. He got a long spiky tail, big horns, and he's a magic skylander. There's a purple rare dragon from Skylanders. Next is Zulu. Oh, I finally take him out. This is hard to take out Skylanders from the 3-pack. Or maybe a 4. And it's like a swapper of feet with 3. Everywhere. Okay, we got Blizzard Chill. She got a shield with a face on it. She got a sword. She got a water element here. And she's a water skylander. Next, we have Zulu. We got Zulu. He got a green cape, a light green, I don't know what is this, but maybe I'll find out. He got a hog belt, and he's a light skyline, and it's all white. And next for their cards. Chill's attack is 45, armor 120, speed 50, luckiness 95. I don't know what's this one, but I might call him luckiness. We got Zulu's card. You got Zulu's card. Is attack is 65, armor 95, speed 30, luckiness, I don't know, 120. Last is Mega Man Spyro. Mega Man Spyro. Attack 75, armor 60, speed 110, and the last one 65. And here is Zulu's sticker. And Blizzard Chill sticker. And Mega Man Spyro sticker. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching, everyone. Goodbye.